So here's the 4 things that took me from feeling completely overwhelmed and concerned about my retirement to having days like this. So these 4 things are: 1, my business is on autopilot. It's completely automated. That means it's out there doing the work for me, working for me in the online world 24/7. That's how I'm able to only do 2 hours a day of income producing activities to earn the daily passive income. Number 2, there are no monthly expenses. Do you know how much pressure that takes off you when you've started a new business and when you want to build up your retirement? So every month it doesn't cost me anything to be able to build a successful digital online business. No monthly expenses, no extras, nothing. The third thing is no follow-up. I do not have to follow up on customers because my online automated business is doing that for me. So essentially it's a rejection-free business. Number 4, I don't have to find people. That's the best. No DM, no direct messaging, no chasing up, no following, no waiting for people to return my calls, because my automation's taking care of all of that. So if you want to know how this automated business can change your concerns about your retirement, put the word yes in my blueprint in my post below and I will share the blueprint with you.